So if you are following the black line and you have to stop the black line following at 90-degree turn, and after that you have to take a 90-degree turn and again start following the line. So how we are going to do that? So let's understand it. So this is the program using which you can follow the line, and as you need to stop at the sharp turn, the 90-degree turn. So for that you have to do a small change. You just need to change this unlimited to the color sensor reflected light intensity, where you can give greater than or equal to maybe 90. So this 90 value I am giving because if the robot is following the black line, then your color sensor might be getting values around 50, 60 or maybe somewhere near to that. So if it reaches at the edge, at the corner, then the color sensor will come almost on the white line, the white surface after the black line. So in that case, as soon as it comes outside of the black line, it will detect more value. It could be greater than 80 or 90. You can just check what value you are getting. Based on that, you can write this value here. I am giving 90. So as soon as it detects more than the previous value, the robot will stop. So you can give one turn of the motor block. And this is how, while following the line, when it comes at the edge, the 90-degree angle, it will stop the motor. And then you can use the turning block. You can turn right or left based on your requirement. And what program we learned, that gyro sensor precise turning, you can also convert that into a my block, and one single block you can use for turning. So this is how you can follow the line at the sharp edge and stop at the edge, take a turn, and then again start following the line.